Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing my bed frame that has a lot of storage. I'm actually going to show you all the storage that it has. First of all, it has the little drawers here at the bottom that you can just pull out. I like keeping like a carpet in the bottom so that way I don't have to sweep and I can just vacuum. And then you just put them in like that. And then it has another one right there. I'm going to show you my favorite part. So it has little pockets here on the side where you can keep your controls. That way you don't lose them. And then it has more storage here and then storage over there. And then it has this little wood frame here at the top where you can just like put water bottles or wherever you like. I also like this little like design here. Super cute, very adorable. This is the size king. So it's very big. It's huge. It didn't come assembled, so my sister and I did have to assemble it. It did take us some hours to assemble it because it was just us two girls. So if you have a husband or a brother that would like to help you, you're gonna finish it so fast. It's super easy to do too because all of the instructions come included. So this part, it's made out of wood. It's also Velcro, so it's super easy to assemble. This part is made out of iron and it doesn't come with the mattress. You do have to get the mattress, but the bed frame is so adorable. I absolutely love it. It looks so great in my room. And yeah, guys, I would definitely recommend it.